issues of childbirth. So I don't know. I'm trying to reach out to Mr. Williams, but his number has not been going. He's not picking my calls, and I think the problem is from him.
What up, my people? I go by the name Mr. Chado TV, Chado of Africa, and I'm with
Mirabel.
Mirabel. What about you? Worry. Ladies and gentlemen, Mirabel contacted me a few days ago, and he said a lot of things which I cannot say. He's here with me, so you guys will hear from the horse's mouth. So, Mirabel, that thing that you told me, that you contacted me, that I asked you to come to here today, so we can make it a video and
solve everything up.
So everything will be solved. So can you please tell my audience what is the
What's
program
going
all
on?
about and
happening?
how the thing started?
Okay.
Speak out loud.
Speak out loud, please.
Okay, I was dating a guy, Mr. Williams by name, and
Mr. Williams.
yes,
Okay.
so we are